Welcome back to Pro Codes. In this video, I am going to show you how to add voiceover to a character with automatic lip sync. First, go to Google and type Animaker. Select the first option. Select Create your first video. Sign up with Google. Sign into your Google account and click on Next. Enter your password and click Next. This is the Animaker website. Here they provide some templates which we can work with on. As a beginner, we can select blank. Now select blank at the top. This is the interface you will get. Now first you have to select a character from the list shown here, and now select a background you need. Select anyone from free backgrounds. You can give green color or an indoor. This can give a city. Just select indoor, that will be most suitable for this character. Yes, maybe this will be suitable. Now you can rescale your character according to your taste and place it where you like. Now in order to give voiceover, select the character, click on the voiceover button, select record voice. A dialog box will appear. Tap on the blue mic button, click allow and speak.
Hello and welcome back to Pro Codes.
Stop recording, click on preview.
Hello and welcome back to Pro Codes.
Give name for this audio you recorded and click on apply. Now just wait for a few seconds. Your audio is syncing with the character. Now it's done. Let's play the video.
Hello and welcome back to Pro Codes.
Look, it's perfect. Look how the lip sync changes with the audio. Now let's adjust the video size to the size of the audio. Now let's give an animation to the character. Select the character. Now select any animation from the list. I will select a waving hand, which is right here. Yes. Now in order to add more animations, click on this button. Click on plus button and select the next animation after the waving hand. Select a suitable one. I'm just going to select a normal one, which is at the top right corner. Now after selecting, click on the tick button at the character. Now select apply and that's it. Move the slide bar to the beginning and click play.
Hello and welcome back to Pro Codes.
Look how it worked. Now I'm going to shorten a bit so that unwanted noise get reduced from the audio and the video length as well.
Hello and welcome back to Pro Codes.
Now the video goes a little more shorter. Now you can select any other option. Now you can select here any stickers you want, you can add to the canvas. Here we have furniture, technology. Now select mobile. It will be onto your canvas. You can rescale it, place it anywhere you need, and if you don't need, you can click on delete. You can next add a title. Here are the different templates. Select any template. Some of them are free. You can select the free. free ones, or you can just pay for it and use this for your videos. Now I'm going to select one, this one. Now double tap on the text so that you can edit and add your own text. Type, I am giving some random words. Now click and drag to position it where you need it. You can add effects also. Now here you can add photo backgrounds, either from here the images they are provided. You can give video backgrounds. Here are some of the inbuilt video backgrounds. Here we have a bridge, sky, and let's check out how sky video works.
Hello and welcome back to Pro Codes.
Let's check out another one. You can give this one or anyone you like from this inbuilt. Next is audio. Here we can add any music to your canvas as a background, or you can upload your own music. Here are some of the inbuilt music they provide for us. Some of them are paid, some of them are free. You can use the free ones. Next is the effects. You can add these effects to your canvas. It will be, let's check how it works. Click on play button.
Hello and welcome back to Pro Codes.
This will work as an overlay. If you don't need, click on undo, Ctrl Z. Next is, here we can see all the files you have manually uploaded, and this here button here shows random templates that you can work on with. Now this search feature can search any settings. Now there are so many random templates, beautiful templates out there. Now after finishing this, you need to save your video, so click on publish at the top right corner and select download video. Here there are many options. Here you have to give a video name, type your video name, and we have download options. We have Full HD, 2K, 4K, but these are all paid versions. We have only free for 720p and 480p. We can only download it on MP4 format. Click on download. Remember, there will be watermark for free downloads. Now this will take some time so that the video gets processed. They will also notify you on your email. You can do any other things this time. Minimize this, or they will send a mail to your email that this work has finished. Now let's check out how this works.
Hello and welcome back to Pro Codes.
Here they will add their logo to the bottom right corner and also at the end of your video. Now you can click on download to download your video. It will be saved to your local disk. Now let's open that.
Hello and welcome back to Pro Codes. Hello and welcome back to Pro Codes.
That's it. That's how we make a character with automatic lip sync. So that's it for today. If you like this video, hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.